Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by defining a reliable origin and locking the base point. This prevents accidental shifts later. Open the host model and set the project base point to a clearly labeled shared origin, then lock it. Once done, record the coordinates numerically so you can verify later. Next, prepare the linked model. Ensure its base point is unclipped and set to its own origin. Make sure to save a backup. You will want a rollback point if anything shifts during subsequent alignment. You now link the host model and align it precisely. First, link using origin to origin to preserve numerical control, then use align to snap shared control points like survey markers or grid intersections, and pin the linked model after alignment. Once the link is accurate, use the acquire coordinates command on your active model to inherit the host's shared coordinates. After acquisition, verify by measuring distances and reading coordinates at least 2 non-collinear control points to confirm correct orientation and scale. Finish by publishing and reloading links, then verify both the survey point and project base point values in plan views and schedules. You should export an IFC or DWG to confirm the coordinates carry into consultants' files. If you spot a mismatch, stop and diagnose. Check whether links were moved, if clipping was applied, or if acquire was run on the wrong model. As a troubleshooting tip, if coordinates are inconsistent, reset shared coordinates and relink using origin to origin before reacquiring to avoid propagation errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.